Hi, thanks for checking out the BirdXPeller Pro series. The BirdXPeller is an electronic bird repeller that uses occasional, natural sounds to repel unwanted birds from your property. Birds might include pigeons, starlings, sparrows, seagulls, crows, and much more. The BirdXPeller Pro is completely programmable, can operate daytime only, nighttime only, or 24 hours. The BirdXPeller Pro comes in two models. The Pro 1 version covers 1 acre. The Super Pro version has 4 speakers, each with 100 feet of cable, and covers a complete area of 6 acres. Use the BirdXPeller Pro around your home or your commercial or industrial property. It's automated and easy to use. Set it up and get rid of your birds today.